Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and tonight we are going over some of the best knife blocks on Amazon. This is the DALSTRONG Gladiator series. First of all, you guys, this is so beautiful. It's an award-winning design, just super modern but classic, gorgeous wood block, and these amazing knives. You're gonna notice that they are high carbon forged German steel, the best of the best. Each of the knives are going to have a 14 to 16 degree point on them. They're going to be crazy sharp, stay sharp, and just last a lifetime. They are going to be super high quality. The handles, there's a full-tang. The handles are triple riveted. They look gorgeous, and they're just gonna feel really great and really well balanced in your hand. DALSTRONG stands by their product so much that they offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. So if you guys are unhappy with these for any reason, they're gonna take care of you. But I know that that's not gonna happen. I know that you're gonna totally love them. This is going to have every knife that you need. It's going to look gorgeous on the block, look great in your kitchen, last forever and ever and ever, feel so great, be easy to sharpen, and just stay crazy sharp. They're everything that you want in a knife set, and this is going to just be one of those things that last a lifetime. So if you are in the, maybe you got some cheaper knives before, you're gonna want to upgrade and get something that is going to last a super long time. If you know someone who maybe is just starting their life, maybe bought their first house or got married, this is just an amazing gift for someone that can last them their entire life. Of course, chefs, aspiring chefs, they're gonna love these too. So go ahead and get these as a gift or get these for yourself. Put them in your cart. You're gonna be super happy that you did.